Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the driving experience in the Toyota Fortuner. Let's get started. Navigating through city traffic, I noticed that the Fortuner's high hood can make it a bit challenging when maneuvering between cars. Additionally, with the air conditioning set to 24 degrees, the SUV delivered a mileage of around 9-10 kmpl. As someone who stands at 5 feet 11 inches, I have a clear view of the hood and the gaps between vehicles while driving. The steering leans slightly to the heavier side, which adds to the sturdy feel, while the suspension provides a smooth ride. When it comes to power delivery, the Fortuner truly excels with its rear-wheel drive and torque-assisted engine. The engine runs smoothly with minimal diesel noise, though a faint hum can still be heard within the cabin. The Fortuner has an impressive road presence that commands attention. While driving, you can feel its substantial weight, which adds to its robust character. However, this also means you need to be extra cautious when navigating through heavy traffic. Despite its size, the Fortuner is incredibly robust and stands out as one of the best large SUV, especially with its impressive off-road capabilities and commanding higher stance. However, the Fortuner does miss out on some essential features, such as a sunroof, a 360-degree parking camera, and advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, which are becoming more common in its segment. The Fortuner is notably lacking in both blind spot monitoring and a tire pressure monitoring system, essential features for enhanced safety and convenience. On the highway, the engine delivers strong acceleration, effortlessly reaching higher speeds while returning around 12 kmpl. The engine operates smoothly and the gear shifts are seamless, making overtaking a breeze. The suspension handles effortlessly at cruising speeds of 80-90 km per hour, providing a comfortable ride. However, due to the vehicle's weight, there's noticeable body roll, especially during sharp turns.
So this is an information I would like to discuss with you guys. So Fortuner is the one of the best SUV. It's a 6-seater or 7-seater variant, and it is the best off-roader too. But there are some features which miss us out, like 360 parking camera, as I said, and panoramic sunroof, and ADAS, like advanced driving safety assistance system. So these are the some of the missing features. I hope in upcoming model it would be added, and it misses tire pressure monitoring too. But the vehicle is very excellent and drivability also very good on highways, especially the engine pulling very hardly when you give some sort of accelerator. So at this, if you are going to pull hardly, so at that point the mileage will be retaining some around 12 to 13 kmpl, either in cities or in traffic, or in highway. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it. So now you can see the screen. So these are the headlamp performance. So it gets an LED projector setup, so both for high beam and low beam. It's an bi-beam LED projector. So this is a low beam and high beam, low high, so like that. So and it gets the lower mounted indicator, which are as a DRL. So this is a lighting setup and all those stuff. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.